All right. So when you go to work and you have to be in different states, when will you receive your schedule?
I stay at work like 3 weeks, sometimes 2 weeks.
No. I mean, when do you receive your schedule? I have family members who are truck drivers. So when do you, because I know they give you a schedule and say, this is where you're going to be traveling. When do you receive your schedule?
Like in the mornings or when I finish taking a load to where it's supposed to go, they'll give me
No.
directions.
This is what I mean.
Schedule.
And it's my fault. I'm not communicating very well today. This is what I mean. If they want you to, let's say they want you to go to Oklahoma, when will you get your schedule saying you need to go to Oklahoma? Because normally in trucking, they don't contact you today and say, today you're going to Oklahoma. They usually have a schedule for you.
They just text my phone in the morning.
I mean, they give you more than a day's notice, don't they?
Sometimes they don't. Due to like whatever needs to be shipped that makes the most money, they're gonna look for that and find it at the last minute and send it to my phone and tell me go over here and take it over here.
All right. What time notice do y'all need for him to give you his schedule? Is it
I'll give you my job email though. You want me to do that?
No. Is it acceptable? I'm sorry, you said your email?
I can give you my jobs, the company's email.
Oh, no, you won't need that. Is it acceptable, Officer Sosa, for him to give you notice no later than 24 hours after he's received his destination or his routes?
A 24-hour notice is what we normally require.
No, I mean after he receives
Oh,
notice.
after he receives it. If he can, does it happen often that he's going? As long as he sends it, let's say he gets it right now at 11 a.m., then he just turns around and sends it, he should be okay.
Well, I'm leaving tomorrow and I don't know where I'm going. Right now I don't.
Well, no, I'm putting this in the order.
Okay.
You are to provide notice to pretrial services no later than 24 hours after you receive your assignment. And I'll put that in an order and send it over, Ms. Sosa.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Put him in here. She's leaving. Okay. Yes. Oh, y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay. What page is she on? Okay.
So
Okay.
on that one, Judge, I had approached previously, and I believe you signed the motion. And I think you even made some amendments on the order.
Yeah.
So I can see some changes being made. So my client was arrested for an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. That's the only charge she has. When I would first look up her name, that case would come up. Now, when I look up her name, nothing is coming up. But when I pull up her case number on Odyssey, when it first pulls up, it'll say her name, it'll say Jane Guthel, and then that case number. When I click on the actual full event, it then says my client's name. And when they put in my client's SID number, everything is still popping up. So that's the problem. So I've already confirmed with the state. My client should be on Zoom, by the way, because I believe we'll.
Anyone else ready?
How's that? Thanks, 8 down.
Yeah, it'd be great. I mean, earlier, I started it like or two in trial to a jury.
Okay, stop. Good. Mixing.
And if they could get it done, but said it wasn't.
Yeah, no rush or anything, I just. There you go. Other than just this,
All right, Julio Salazar.
Yeah.
Salazar, come up.
I know.
Hello.
How you doing?
All right, how are you doing today?
Alright.
So do you paint?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a good painter?
Work with the best.
Awesome, good answer. It's always hard to find a good painter.
I know.
All right, so in this case, where are we on discovery?
Believe we should have all the discovery, Judge. They've conveyed an offer to me. I would like to do two things, go over that offer with, Mr. Salazar, and also he's never been to my office to flush through the case. His case just got indicted, I think, in late March. So that's where we are. If we could have a comeback to just let the court know if we're gonna take the agreement or not. That's what I'd like.
How old are you, sir?
How old am I? 56.
All right, Norma, I need a 30-day reset for a plea deadline date. Do you have any questions about anything?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, they are, they're on. So what would you want from their people?
All right, see you back on June 29th. Just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
Who's next?
You can watch that.
I don't know who it is. Who is it? Reginald Bateman.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Mr. Bateman, come forward.
He was here.
Oh, no.
Outside and came back.
No. I've already checked him off as being here. All right, where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, we have received discovery from the district attorney's office. We've also received an offer. I have conferred with my client regarding the offer. And right now, at this point, we're requesting a jury trial. Also, my client would like to have an independent lab to analyze the alleged substance. However, that is something that I'm gonna be discussing with the district attorney's office in the meantime.
Norma, can you set this for trial next week?
Yeah.
June 1st. All right, that will be your jury trial date. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Your Honor, I have a federal court next week.
When?
I'm checking,
Okay,
but I know it's next week, yes.
okay.
Let me check my calendar and I'll let you know, but if it looks like,
Jonathan Grid.
if this works, Your Honor, I'll be here.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. That will be your
Thank you.
jury trial date. State on Reginald Bateman, I need an acknowledgement of discovery. He's on page 8, the last one. All right, who's next?
We have Ted Russell Graham on page 1 or now.
All right, who's here on Vasco?
Good morning, Judge. I am, and he's on Zoom.
All right. Mr. Brobham, I need you to unmute and I need you to start your video.
There you can't see it. Your camera. Okay, it's gonna be down here.
First, early in the morning. Okay.
You were on.
All right, today is the plea deadline date. Where are we on that?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Start video, it said, Mom. Go back.
Hang on.
Camera allowed.
Okay, Judge. We just got our first offer. We're still outstanding some medical records that have been requested. But we were conferring. It's with Miss Ida Cheta.
All right, what medical records?
One more setting, we just need to order the medical records related to treatment that the victim got for the alleged incident. They have been requested, they haven't been received. We need to follow up with the place. So if we can just get maybe one more plea deadline setting, that would be great.
All right. This will be your final plea deadline date and your client is going to have to appear in person.
Oh, we'll do it, Judge.
All right, Norma.
Yes.
I need a 3-week reset for a plea deadline date. And the defendant is to appear in person.
Thank you.
Sure.
I can do it.
All right. It's going to be June 18th, and sir, you need to appear in person. All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
We have Jonathan Greenwich on page 12. Read down.
Jonathan Greenwich. All right, this is a motion to revoke.
It's.
Okay, I need the motion.
It's the one.
Oh.
Morning, you're on.
No, I actually just wanted to approach you
Yes.
about getting a short reset. This case is set for both the jury trial on a new number 1 and the MTR today.
The MTR is largely related to the new number one. And this is my initial setting on the new number one, although I was in here previously to get a bond set on the MTR. I have downloaded this discovery and glanced at it, but not had a chance to do any substantial prep. I
Norman,
believe.
set this for a contested hearing at the end of June.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you saving us the time and
Sure.
energy.
All
You
right,
have a
June
nice
29th.
day.
Oh, you too. June 29th is going to be your contested hearing.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, and we'll reset both cases to that date?
Yes.
Thank you.
And sir, you need to be on time next time.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Read that.
I'm not.
And Norma, the 2025 CR case that's attached to it, that June 29th can be contested hearing and jury trial date. Mhm. Who else? All righty. Okay, just give me 1 second. Oh, sure.
Yes. So. So I don't know if that's something that I are quite sensitive for also this conversation. Your products is like they compress the things of like they get a lot there. So as now we're are you okay?
Sorry, what? Yeah. Yeah.
I do not.
All right, is this unit on,
Yeah. I've got upstairs before you get to the brand.
I've been very successful. Yeah. Thank you very much. Facing you. No. Well, okay. Yeah. So you're good. All right. So. I get hired. I don't know any that. That. Initially, so it's.
All right, Jacob Lopez.
For them to bring him out, but I'm requesting I've got a motion to set bond up.
I can't do anything until he's out. Sure. Who's next? All right, thank you.
Well, there was no written. I don't care. Show me where you can make all the time. You didn't buy the last part is. I have file before you stop. Oh, I've got.
Then it's gonna be 8 that added on.
Okay,
It's gonna be 4.
thank you. Abor Rojo? Arroyo. All right, thank you.
Yeah, Judge, how are you doing this morning?
Doing great. I see you don't have your scooter.
No, I've been going more and more. So hopefully out of the brace pretty soon too.
All right, today's plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge. We're rejecting the offer. We'd like to get set for a trial setting, please.
All right, Norma, can you set this for the first week in June? All right, we'll see you back on June 1st.
But I feel to get a little more time, that way I can let my employer know.
No, your jury trial is June 1st.
I'll get a paper from the court so that way you can give to them.
Yes.
Just let them know that it's a court order. It's not that you scheduled it. All right. Yeah.
All right, thank you. You're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And state on Arroyo, I need a acknowledgement of discovery.
I'll get you there.
All right, who's next? Jonathan, oh, we did do Jonathan Greenwich. Just 1 second. Yes, what's the reapproach for Jonathan Greenwich about?
Your Honor, my client is a long haul trucker and he's currently on GPS tracking only. And apparently we're going to need permission from you for him to resume his long haul trucking job.
What's the issue?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, they never get those.
I just need to get permission from you.
No, I mean, what is pretrial services saying about the issue?
Apparently they told Mr. Greenwich he needs to get a motion and an order from the judge. And this was as much of a surprise to me as it appears to be to you, Your Honor. If the court could just say on the record, Mr. Greenwich is allowed to pursue lawful employment.
No, it will probably take more than that.
Okay.
What were you gonna say?
My bond paperwork, it says for me to ask permission to go outside of Bear County.
Oh, no, no, no. When you say bond paperwork, is that with your bondsman?
The the GPS paperwork.
All right. So we have to be very careful because if it's something with your bondsman, you have to handle that with your bondsman. But you're saying it's with pretrial services?
Yes, ma'am, I said the wrong thing.
All right, who's your pretrial services officer? Is that the paperwork?
And that's not gonna say it's his indictment.
That's just the indictment. Is
Her
it?
name is Rosa.
Okay, your attorney should be able to figure it
Yeah, I
out.
can
If you're
figure that out.
pretrial services and find out who his officer is.
My job wants me to go on the road tomorrow and do a load.
Oh, we'll take care of it today.
All right.
Are you all gonna have any objection with him traveling for work? He's on tracking.
He's tracking only and he wants to leave Bear County. That's what the issue is?
Yes.
Okay. So long as it's just within the state.
No, he goes out of state.
Is it within the state or
Lawful
no?
Proper.
Okay, I just ain't seen what else.
All right, just call it. So everyone, take deep breaths. This is what I need you all to do. Contact or find out for me who his pretrial services officer is. That's what I need to know.
Thank you.
Sure. Nobody leave till that's done. All right, anyone else next? Oh, well, we will both pronounce it incorrectly then. Gardiner. Who's here on? Gary Church. Gary, no.
Yes,
All right, where's your client? Come up, please.
Stand right there on the black tapes, keep all this over here.
Hello. Hi. How do you pronounce your first name? Aya? Aya, okay. So where are we on discovery?
I've got discovery now, acknowledgement. I think I've got all the discovery, but with that Avion or whatever, that new system is a nightmare.
Okay.
I'm gonna probably file a competency on her. She told me she's been in the state hospital. I need to do a little research on her history. She's had a fairly strong criminal history, so I want to see if there's been issues of competency or sanity with her down the road.
All right, so what's going to end up happening is your attorney is going to file a motion. I'm not the court who's going to hear the specific motion he files. It's going to be another court. Okay. All right, Norma, he's going to file a motion. Well, Norma, can you just order it, please? The competency evaluation.
Competency about,
Any objection to the court just sending the order?
no, Judge.
All right. All right, and then Norma, recall this in 60 days. And that's so we won't lose you in the system, but another court will hear the evaluation. All right, so we'll be back on July 27th. If the evaluation is completed before then, your attorney will let us know and we'll have you brought back before then. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you.
We'll talk. All right.
All right, who's next? Hello, where's Rafael Rodriguez?
Bring on the black ones.
All right, on this case, today is plea deadline date.
Judge, I conferred with the state. We are going to ask for a reset. We did receive, or the state received some new evidence. They're requesting to review it. I think if client does not want to take the current offer on the table, so we do want to set this for the trial docket, but we are requesting a reset for right now.
Yes, Judge, there was a recent change in defense counsel. This counsel today has provided me with some substantive evidence I need to discuss with the complainant that could affect the disposition of the case. So I'll leave it up to this court's judgment whether to put on the trial docket or give us a short reset to give me time to do that. But that's where we are.
All right, when you say short time, what do you mean?
A few weeks, Judge, be plenty.
When you say a few weeks, what do you mean?
Preferably when this judge is on the bench.
Oh, yeah. All right.
That's her learned disposition, Judge.
Norma, put this for the week of. Do the week of June 15th. As it doesn't work out, there's going to be a quick turnaround for jury trial.
Understood, Judge.
All right, what date, Norma? All right, June 16th. That's your final plea deadline date.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How's it going, Hunter?
It's going all right, Judge. Running back and forth.
Okay.
Good to
Welcome
see you again.
You too.
You too.
Hello.
Hello.
You always wonder when people wear their glasses like that, are they afraid they're going to fall off? And why don't they fall off?
Well, you're afraid you're gonna lose it.
Yeah. I'm like, ugh. So is there something, do you have videos of the witnesses' statements or
I
something?
discussed that with the state judge, and I think we sorted that out. Apparently, one of them is a 911 call, so we definitely have that.
Okay.
And the other one's just a witness statement. And I think based on my conversation with counsel, that it's all in discovery.
Yes, and then last setting, I think there was a witness video that has been uploaded to Axon along with like 2 or 3 photos, Judge.
So all discovery
Yes.
tender?
I may have to go back and look at those.
Okay.
I'm supposed to have.
And then an offer was previously tendered?
Correct, Judge.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 30 days.
July. June 27th.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Oh, and Gary.
Yeah.
We need to put something on the record with your client. If you'll have your client come back up. Okay. But yeah, Norma said she was calling you. I'm like, oh, I know who to call.
Yeah. My private secretary.
Yes. She's like, he'll be right there.
Yeah.
All right, we're going on the record. Court is calling 2026 CR 005859 State versus Miss Gardner. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Gary Chuck for the defendant.
And are you Miss Gardner?
Yes.
All right, off the record for a moment. All right, we're back on the record. Counsel.
Judge, I had an occasion to talk to her sister in the hall. She's told me that she has a diagnosis of bipolar schizophrenic, and at one time had been found incompetent to stand trial and sent to the state hospital to regain competency. And discussing with her about the case, she doesn't seem to be clear as to what happened. I think that there's definitely an issue of competency.
All right, the court will grant the motion, and the court will order that a competency evaluation be completed.
All right, thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you.
Excused?
Yes, you're excused.